Hey, what's happening, y'all? Check it out. We talking about LECA today. What you know about LECA? It's lightweight expanded clay aggregate. It's used as a soilless growing medium for plants, particularly in hydroponics and semi-hydroponics. It's also used as a soil amendment to improve drainage and aeration. Its main benefits include improved root oxygenation, better moisture control and reusability. In Vivarium culture, which is probably most of you are on my channel because you have Vivaria, LECA's used as a drainage layer. It's good stuff. I love it. I also use it all the time in my pots. I like to do a drainage layer in my potted plants. So I'll do a layer of LECA on the bottom, I don't know, an inch or two, and then I'll put my soil, the roots in, and then put my soil in, and it kind of keeps the roots from getting waterlogged. I love it. Use it all the time. You can also use it as strictly as basically as the whole medium. I mean, you can plant aeroids in LECA and they do well. Also, here's a little terrarium. See on the bottom, you can see the bottom layer is my drainage layer. Above that, I've got a soil barrier and then my soil. It's really good stuff to keep the water in the enclosure away from the plant roots so you don't get root rot. It's good stuff. Make sure you wash it. Wear a mask. It gets really dusty. I recommend it. But anyway, that's all, guys. That's it. LECA. Peace.